Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you guys how to use your GoPro as a dash cam. Mine's a GoPro 8, so I'll show you guys how to set that up. As long as you're on video mode, which you can select on your power button here, you should be able to open up the settings here by pressing that area down here. There's already 4 presets, but we're gonna add one. We're gonna go to the plus button here. We're gonna go to plus. And on the first option there, you see how it says mode. You're gonna choose that one, and it should be the option right here, looping. Let's click that. Now, another thing you're gonna wanna set up right away, because you can't change this after it's set up, is you wanna see how many intervals you wanna record for. So I usually record every 20-minute interval. So this is going to record for 20 minutes, and if I don't press the stop record, it'll actually keep deleting the previous minutes that you were recording until to the point when you stop recording. So that's why this is good for a dash cam, because if anything ever happens and you get in an accident, you can stop recording by pressing this button, and it'll record all of the 20 minutes prior to that point when you press that button. So this should be set up now. This is really all you need. Maybe you might want to change the lens to super wide. That's something you can change later. It's actually called super view. But you can click the check mark there, and you can, it's asking you for the name. What do you want to name it? I'm just going to name it looping. All right, you should be set up. There's no other options there that we really need. Now, one thing you're going to want to make sure is that it's directly connected to a power source. I connected it to my cigarette lighter there, and I made sure that there's no battery, because if there is a battery, it might overheat and the heat won't be able to escape, and it's just going to overheat and give you an error message. I do make sure that I keep the SD card in there. You're obviously going to want to record and keep memory in the GoPro. And then from there, you guys can either take the SD card out when you record something, put it on your computer with a macro SD card, or you can actually get the app, the GoPro app, and from there on your phone you can directly download any video footage that you have. I also made sure that I bought a windshield mount. This windshield mount was $12 on Amazon, and it works really well. It's just a suction cup, so your GoPro does work upside down, or even if you turn it sideways. But from there, guys, it's easy. Just press record right here on the top, and it'll start recording, and you can use it as a dash cam. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.